Hi guys, I'm Aditi. I'm here to create a tutorial on how to find old Snapchat filters that you have used last year or so many days ago. How to find them. I'll not tell you to change the timing of your mobile because it creates problem with your other apps like WhatsApp or Instagram. So I'm not going to tell you that trick. So keep watching. I'll just tell you how to do it, how to find all the filters that you have used previously. What I'm doing is I'm using AZ screen recorder, and then I have started recording my screen, and now I have started Snapchat filters. So I have already started using these filters over here, for example. So now I want to now I want to find a filter which I have used previously. For example, I like this one. My favorite filter is this one. This is my favorite filter, and I was not finding it, so I had this question. I watched all YouTube tutorials, so I'm creating this video how to find these filters, all these filters. So you can see there is eye here, over here on the left corner there is eye. Click on this eye. You will be able to see view profile option. The name of this filter is bright diadem, and you can go to view profile or more lenses. If you go to view profile, you will be able to see all these lenses, that is dogs, hearts, subtle beauty, big mouth, pink glow. They are loading. Smooth look, all the filters are there. Soft light, all the filters that you have used in all those previous days, previous years will appear over here, and you will be able to open it. It will take some time for loading, but it will open it hopefully. So you will be able to use it. Again, you can go back, you can go back with this, and you can use some other filter, for example, my twin. Okay, I'll see some. Okay, I have shown you. I'll not waste much of your time. So in this fashion, you can use all the Snapchat filters. If you have liked my video, like, subscribe my YouTube channel, click on that bell icon to get notified every time I upload new video. Comment below if you still have some queries. Bye.